Yeah. So coming to this problem, how many nodes? Two nodes are there. How many displacements are there? Two displacements. Right. How many free body diagrams are there here?
Two, sir.
Two free body diagrams. Right. So first I draw first free body diagram, which is M1. Right. On M1, is there any applying force?
Yes, sir.
Right. So applying force is there. So which is F of t. So what is the displacement direction? Y1 of t. Right. Is there any opposing force? Is there any opposing force?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what are the opposing forces?
FM1,
Fm1,
FK1,
Fk1,
FB,
Fb, Fb.
Two, sir.
Huh?
FK2, sir.
Right, very good. Fk. So you have to remember, so these opposing forces are represented with the small letters only. Okay నాన్న, ఎలిమెంట్స్ మనం స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఇక్కడ మీరు క్యాపిటల్స్ వాడకూడదు, మిస్టేక్ అవుద్ది. ఓకేనా? You should use small letters only to represent opposing forces. Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనం? You have to apply. We have to apply Newton's second law of motion. What is the law? What it states? Newton's second law.
Sum of applied forces is equal to opposing forces.
Right. Sum of applying force is equal to sum of opposing forces. Is there any applying force? Is there any applying force on M1?
F of t, sir.
F of s.
So f of t, not s na, ఇంకా మనం అప్లై చేయలేదు. First we have to write differential equations. After that we'll move to the Laplace transform. What are the opposing forces? Sum of opposing forces.
FK.
Is it clear up to this step, all of you? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear this step, all of you? Is this step clear for you or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. Tell me, what is Fm1? Write the force balance equation. Fm1 అంటే ఏంటి?
M1 d square y1 by dt square.
Right, very good, Nana. M1 d square y1 by dt square. Next, what is Fk1?
M into dy1.
What? I'm asking, what is Fk1?
K1 into x, y1.
K1 into y1. Spring has only displacement. Mass has acceleration. Dashpot represented with the velocity. Next, Fb. Tell me. What is Fb?
B dy1 by dt.
B
By dt.
dy1 by dt. Very good. Then tell me, what is Fk2?
K2 into y.
K2 into?
Y1 minus y2.
Right, very good. Y1 of t minus y2 of t. So these four are force balance equations, and we have to substitute this force balance equation in this equation. We can find, so we are getting first differential equation, which is m1 d square y1 by dt square plus k1 y1 plus b dy1 by dt plus k2 y1 of t minus y2 of t. This is the first differential equation. representing the first free body diagram. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. So I will erase these things. M1. So నేను మళ్ళీ వీటి గురించి చెప్తాను. Right. Right. Coming to second node. Second node grant. Coming to second node. What is the second node? M2. Is there any applying force on M2? Is there any applying force on M2?
No, sir.
No. So the displacement is y2 of t. Is there any opposing force? Tell me. What are those opposing forces?
FM2, FK2. Sir.
Right, very good. Fm2, Fk2. Then, as per Newton's second law of motion, Fm2 plus Fk2, sum of opposing forces equal to, here how much here on right hand side?
0, sir.
0. That is opposing force is 0. Then write the force balance equation. What is Fm2? What is Fm2? M2 into d square y2 by dt square. What is Fk2? Tell me. What is
K2.
K2 into?
K2 into Y2 minus
Y2
Y1.
minus
Right, y2 minus y1. Very good. So substitute these two in this equation. We will get second differential equation. M2 d square y2 by dt square plus K2 y2 minus y1. This right equal to 0. This is the second equation. So is it clear, all of you, how we should and we write differential equations for the given mechanical system? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we'll move to the slide. Wait a minute. Right. So yeah, I'll share the PDF. Something will happen. Right. So if you observe this, so first first free body diagram, we are getting this equation. M1 d square y1 by dt square, b dy1 by dt, k1 y1, k2 y minus y2, f of t. This is what we we are getting from the first free body diagram. Okay. right? So now what we have to do now, after writing force balance equation, what we have to do? What we have to do after writing first force balance equation?
Apply
Right.
Laplace transforms.
Apply Laplace transform. So if you apply Laplace transform to first term, what we are getting? M1 s square y1 of s. Second term bs y1 of s. Third term k1 y1 of s. Fourth term k2 y1 of s minus k2 y2 of s. Nothing but I am multiplying this k2 with each displacement. K2 y1 of s minus k2 y2 of s equal to what is f of t? Laplace transform of f of t, f of s. So from this equation, I am taking y1 of s as common. After taking y1 of s as common from these two terms, these four terms, so m1 s square bs and k1 plus k2 minus k2 into y2 of s into f of s, right? So this is first algebraic equation. Coming to second free body diagram, from the second free body diagram, we have this differential equation. So I'm applying Laplace transform here also for this term. I'm getting this one, and the second term after multiplying k2 with each displacement, I have k2 y2 of s minus k2 y1 of s. From this, uh, so first from these two terms, I am taking y2 of s as common. Y2 of s as common. If you am taking y2 of s as common, so y2 of s into m2 s square plus k2. I'm have m2 s square plus k2. I'm taking this negative term to my right hand side and taking this k2 to my left hand side, which is becomes the numerator part, which comes into the numerator part. This is equation 2, that is second algebraic equation. Is it clear, all of you? Second equation, is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? Second equation, please respond. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Nobody is responding from the B section. Is it clear? Second equation.
Yes, sir.
So we have here equation 1 and equation 2. What is equation 1? This one. What is equation 2? This one. So what is the transfer function of this system? What is the transfer function of this system? మనం ఏం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి?
Y of s by
Sorry,
y2 of s by f of s.
y2 of s by f of s. So మనకి first equation లో we have y2 of s and f of s, and we have y1 of s also. So we have to remove this y1 of s. We have to eliminate this y1 of s term from this equation. For that, I am replacing in the place of y1 of s the second equation, which is y2 of s into m2 s square plus k2 by k2. So here I have substituted the second equation in the first equation. So finally, after substituting 2 in one, we are getting this equation. We are getting this equation. So what are the terms here in the second equation? మనకి ఏమేం terms ఉన్నాయి? Second displacement and the applying force. Is there any first displacement in the term in this equation? y1 of s ఎక్కడైనా కనబడుతుందా? ఈక్వేషన్ y1 of s ఎక్కడ ఉందా? లేదు. Then take the common again. y2 of s is common. Take the common from this term and this term and take the LCM. So after taking the LCM, so y2 of s as take it as common. m2 s square plus k2 is a single term, and this entire thing is the one more term. And after taking the LCM, k2 into k2, which becomes k2 square by k2. After taking the LCM, which is f of s. Then what is the transfer function? y2 of s by f of s. y2 of s by F of s is the transfer function. So take the f of s to left hand side, take this entire term, take this entire term your right hand side. Finally, this is the transfer function of the given mechanical system. Is it clear? How do we determine the transfer function? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
రైట్ మెటీరియల్ ఉంది కనుక మీకు కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకున్నాను. మీకు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్లో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా నన్ను అడగండి, నేను సాల్వ్ చేసి ఇస్తాను మీకు. ఓకేనా? అండ్ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా అడగచ్చు. ఓకే, కానీ ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు చూసినంత ఈజీ కాదు, వీటిని మీరు సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో నీకు అందుకే మెటీరియల్స్ ఇచ్చాను ఎడ్మోడోలో. 50% ఏమో జాయిన్ అయినట్టున్నా, 50 to 60%. రిమైన్ ఐ డోంట్ నో అబౌట్ రిమైనింగ్, మరి మిగిలిన వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారో ఏమో. Right? So we'll take one more model. Write the equations of motion in S domain for the system shown in the figure. Determine the transfer function of the system. So em adugutunnadu? Anyone? What are the objectives? Here we are having two objectives. What is the first objective? What is the first objective?
Writing the differential equations.
Not differential equations. Sorry, that's mistaken.
Applied and opposing forces.
వాడు ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు క్వశ్చన్ లో?
ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్.
ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఒకటి, అది సెకండ్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్?
Equations in S domain.
ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ మోషన్.
Motion in S domain, nothing but equations in S domain, nothing but not differential equations. Those are called, those are not those are not differential equations. Differential equation is in time domain, not S domain. He is asking represent the equation in S domain. అంటే ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు?
లాప్లాస్.
వాటిని ఏమంటున్నాను నేను? ఏమంటున్నాను వాటిని? ఏ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అని చెప్తున్నాను?
Force balance.
బ్యాలెన్సింగ్, ఫోర్స్ బ్యాలెన్సింగ్.
ఫోర్స్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ కాదు నాన్న, ఎస్ డొమైన్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అంటున్నాడా. మీరు ఫోర్స్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ కూడా టైం డొమైన్ లోనే రాశారు. m2 d2 x by dt square, m1 d2 x by dt square, అవి టైం డొమైన్ లో ఉన్నాయా, ఎస్ డొమైన్ లో ఉన్నాయా? ఫోర్స్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ టైం డొమైన్ లో ఉన్నాయా, ఎస్ డొమైన్ లో ఉన్నాయా? మీకు చెప్పండి. dy by dt, dx by dt, అవి ఫోర్స్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. అవి టైం డొమైన్ లో ఉన్నాయా, ఎస్ డొమైన్ లో ఉన్నాయా?
Time domains.
మరి వాడు అడుగుతుంది ఏంటి? ఎస్ డొమైన్ అంటున్నాడు. అంటే ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు?
లాప్లాస్.
వాటిని ఏమంటా? చెప్పండి. లాప్లాస్ అప్లై చేశాకే వస్తాయి. వాటిని ఏమంటాం? టెర్మినాలజీ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. వాటిని ఏ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అంటాం? We have differential equations in time domain, but what we call the equations in S domain, ఏమని పిలుస్తాం? ఏమని పిలుస్తాం? ఈ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని ఏమని పిలుస్తాం? ఏది ఈ ఈక్వేషన్స్ వాడు అడుగుతుంది ఎస్ డొమైన్ లో. సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ అండ్ దిస్ ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఈ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ని రాయమంటున్నాడు. వీటిని ఏమంటాం? దీస్ ఆర్ నాట్
algebraic equation.
right, very good, that's what I'm asking. They are called algebraic equations. He's asking those equations. Okay, so he's asking write the algebraic equations and find the transfer function. So how many nodes are there in the system?
One.
How many nodes present in the system?
2 notes, sir.
Sorry,
2 notes, sir.
one node or two nodes?
2 notes.
One or two? Somebody is saying it's two. How it is two?
Mass without node without mass, sir.
Where?
Meeting point of spring and dashboards.
Right, very good. Na ikkada undi manaku oka node, but with mass equal to 0. With the mass equal to 0. Meeting point of the elements are called nodes. Nothing but here we have to assume here one node is there with the mass equal to 0 and other node is this mass. So for this node already given the displacement x of t. Here for this node you have to take the displacement x1 of t. x1 of t. So this is the first node and this is the second node. Then what is the transfer function here? What is the transfer function here? What is the transfer function? This is the first node and this is the second node. What is the transfer function?
X of s by f of s.
Right. You have to calculate what is x of s by f of s. X of s by f of s. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Right. Right. I'll draw here. Right. So right here we have one fixed end. Nothing is there, right? B1, B2, right? B1 and B2. So ఇక్కడ నీకు ఫిక్స్డ్ అండ్ ఏమి ఇవ్వలేదా? ఓకే ఓకే, వెయిట్ ఎ మినిట్. So this is applying force and this is the displacement x of t and this is B2 and B1 K1, right? So how many nodes we have? How many nodes we have? Here how many nodes we have in this diagram? How many nodes we have?
2 nodes, sir.
2 nodes. So what is the here I am taking the displacement of second node is x1 of t. X1 of t, right? So I'm drawing the first free body diagram with m equal to 0. That means there is no mass here, right? Is there any applying force on second node? I mean, is there an applying force on first node, not second node? Is there any applying force on first node?
No, sir.
No. Is what is the displacement here? X1 of
X1 of t.
Is there any opposing force on this node?
Yes, sir. Spring force.
Spring Fk1. Still, is there any applying force, opposing force?
FB, sir.
FB.
FB1 ammadi, sorry, FB1. This one is FB1. Okay, FB1. So what is the Newton's second law of motion? Fk1 plus Fb1 equal to
0, sir.
0. What is Fk1? K1 into x1. What is Fb1? B1 into dx1 by d. Antena? Antena kada? Antena kada? B1 की single displacement ఉందా, multiple displacements ఉన్నాయా? B1. Take this here. So here we have node. Here we have one more node. Is it connected between one node or two nodes? B1. B1, is it connected between one node? Is it connected to one node or between two nodes?
2 nodes, sir.
Hello, is it clear, all of you? Shall I repeat? Here we are assuming the node here, which is meeting point of the element. So that node is with the mass 0. That node is with the mass 0. So on this node there is no applying force, but we are having opposing force due to K1, due to B1. So this node has the displacement x1 of t, what we assume. So from the what are the opposing forces we are marking? Fk1 and Fb1. So from the Newton's second law of motion, the sum of opposing force is equal to applying force. There is no applying force. That's why I am taking 0. K1. K1 nothing but connected to node only. Connected to single node only. So what is the displacement? It has x1. That's why K1 and x1 I have written. Force balance equation. Coming to B1, it is the dashpot connected between two nodes. Connected between two nodes. Nothing but this first node has x1 of t displacement and the second node has x of t displacement. Then what is the resultant displacement? Anyone? What is the resultant displacement?
x1 of t minus x.
X2, x1 of t minus x1 minus x. Okay, or x1 of t minus x of t. ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు నాన్న, no problem. x1 of t minus x of t అని తీసుకోండి, లేదా x1 minus x. What equal to 0? This is the first differential equation. Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So what ఏం అడిగాడు? Write the algebraic equations. K1 x1 of s. So this is B1 s into x1 of s minus B1 s into x of s equal to 0 after taking the Laplace transform. So this is what he is asking. The first algebraic equation. Is it clear, all of you, this equation? How do we get? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So differential equation s apply, Laplace apply we are getting f term b1s x1 of s minus b1s x of s, which is equal to 0. Is it clear, all of you? Coming to second free body diagram, which is m. Okay. Somebody disturbing. Who is idiot? F9. Idiot. Right. Is there any applying force on M, second node?
F of t, sir.
F of t is the applying force. What is the displacement? What is the displacement?
X of t.
X of t. Abba. Wait a minute. Yeah. X of t. Right. Is there any opposing force? Is there an opposing force? Is there any opposing force?
Dashpot friction.
ఏది రెండు ఏ డాష్ పాట్?
B1, B2, sir.
FB2. Still?
B1 also, sir.
Right, very good. B1 also. ఈ B2 అనేది డ్యూ టు సర్ఫేస్ అమ్మ, తెలుసు కదా, నేను చెప్పాను కదా, రఫ్ సర్ఫేస్ స్మూత్ సర్ఫేస్ అని చెప్పాను, గుర్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
రైట్, దానికి ఇది ఈ అపోజింగ్ ఫోర్స్ అనేది దాని వల్ల వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ రెండేనా, ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయి అపోజింగ్ ఫోర్సెస్? ఎం. ఇక్కడ ఎఫ్ఎం ఏమి ఉండదమ్మా, ఎందుకంటే ఎఫ్ఎం అంటే ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? ఎం ఇంటూ డి స్క్వేర్ x1 బై dt స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ రాస్తే m into d square x by d square x1 by dt square వస్తుంది. బట్ m అంటే ఎంత? m అంటే ఎంత ఇక్కడ?
0.
సో
Zero.
ఆ ఫోర్స్ ఏమైపోతుంది? ఆ అపోజింగ్ ఫోర్స్ ఏమైపోతుంది?
0.
అందుకే నేను రాయలేదు. ఓకేనా? రైట్. అప్లై న్యూటన్స్ లా. f of t equal to fm plus fb1 plus fb2. Right? So f of t equal to fm ఏం చెప్పండి? m into d square x by dt square. What is the displacement here? x of t here, right? X is the displacement. Next, fb1 ఇది ఎలా రాస్తాం చెప్పండి? b1 d by dt of చెప్పండి.
X minus x1.
Right, x minus x1. This is x minus x1. Initially here we have x1 minus x plus b2 into ఇక్కడ b2 into
d by dt of x, sir.
right, very good Nana, dx by dt. This b2 has only single displacement which is x of 2, but this b1 has two displacements x1 and x2. That's why we have written resultant displacement here and here. Okay, this is second equation and we have to apply Laplace transform to convert it into second algebraic equation. Okay, so let's move to the problem. So first we do mass తీసుకున్నాం. So this if you observe written here m d square x by dt square b1 dx by dt and b2 d by dt of x minus x1. b2 d by dt of x minus x1. So after applying s domain, m s square b1s plus b2s, దీంట్లోంచి x of s కామన్ తీసాను. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ మనకు వచ్చేది ఏంటి? m1 s square x of s plus b1 s into x of s, so plus b2 s into x of s minus b2 s into x1 of s equal to f of s, right? So ఈ 3 terms నుంచి x of s కామన్ తీస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? I mean ఈ 4 terms, this sorry this not it's okay. So these 3 terms take the common x of s. What we are getting? It's not m1, it's m. Okay, right, it's m s square b1 plus b2 into s into x of s minus b2s into x1 of s equal to f of s. This is the first algebraic equation. Okay, coming to second one with mass equal to 0. So already we write the differential equation, right? After applying the Laplace transform, we are getting kx1 of s plus b2 into s into x1 of s minus b2 into s into x of s equal to 0. Take the x1 of s term as common from these two terms. So b2s plus k, b2s plus k, right? And take this negative term to your right hand side where 0 is there. So b2s into x of s, right? So what is the output we need? What is the transfer function here? What is the transfer function we required here? Transfer function em calculate cheyalama ikkada?
X of s by f of s.
So for that we need to eliminate this x1 of s term. We need to eliminate this x1 of s term. So for that, we have to substitute x1 of s value. X1 of s value. So from equation 2, what is x1 of s? b2s by b2s plus k into x of s. So I'm substituting equation 2 in the equation 1. So what we are getting? This one. This one. Right? So from these two terms, take the x of s as common from the left hand side and take the LCM. Take the LCM. One untundi. Take the LCM. So what we are getting after taking the LCM and after writing the ratio of output to input, we are getting the transfer function. After simplification, we are getting the transfer function as the ratio of output to input. This is what he is asking. Is it clear, all of you? Third problem, without mass. Node without mass. Is it clear? The special case. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's about translation systems models. So this all of you take this example and solve at your home. Take this example. Okay. ఏం కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడు? టూ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్స్ కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడు. x1 of s by f of s, x2 of s by f of s. రెండు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడు. సో దిస్ ఇస్ సింపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం. సో అంటే ఇక్కడ మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మీకు ఇవి వస్తాయి. x1 ప్లేస్ లో x2 లో x1 ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ x2 కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకొని ఈక్వేషన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే x2 బై f ఆఫ్ s వస్తుంది. x2 ని ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ x1 లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకొని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే x1 బై f ఆఫ్ s వస్తుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం. Take the problem and solve here. We have two nodes. We are getting two differential equations, two free body diagrams. So we are having two surface frictional forces. We have one dashpot. This is also friction element between two nodes. The resultant displacement is difference of the displacements. K1 is connected to only M1. K2 is connected to only M2. And the applying force on M1, not on M2. That is nothing but which is equal to 0. Cheyagalra all of you. Chestara ee problem note cheskuntunnara? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. All of you note. Hello, note చేసుకుంటున్నారా? అమ్మా ఉన్నారా లేదా? Hello, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Where are the CRs? Balaji, are you there? Jyoti, Bhargav, ఏం రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వరు?
మైక్ పని